Give it Good afternoon, welcome to a sunny Queensland evening, and we're going to test something.
A new product that, well,
New to us.
yeah, we have already tested it, but it's so good. We actually want to do a video on it because we're pretty big car dudes, love cleaning cars, and we've only recently found out about it.
What is it? It's a white can of deodorant.
Multiple different brands today. We do actually want to test and see which is better, but we have had success already with the Armor All brand. It is a brake dust repellent.
Yeah, and that is the Autoglym version. They call it a wheel protector, but when you read the bump, it's supposed to do the same thing. And the idea is it keeps your wheels looking cleaner for longer and stops the brake dust sticking to them. Now, Dave's car that we have here, those wheels are really bad for brake dust. However, it's actually quite clean today. But before we apply this stuff, which is actually already on the wheels, that's probably why they don't look very dirty.
Yeah, that's probably it.
But before we apply it, we've got to give them a good clean, which we're going to do that first, and we'll show you guys how we apply it. Yeah, and we're going to leave it on for a few days.
And I'm thinking we actually do half of the wheel in Armor All, and then the other half of the other side in Autoglym, and then you should be able to see how effective it is for half and half, and between the left and the right wheel, be able to see which is better.
That makes sense to me, because we haven't actually compared them side by side.
No.
All right, let's get into cleaning this thing. So we're back, and the wheels, and actually the whole car is very clean now.
Much better.
Only took half an hour. So what we're going to do for this test, we're going to mask up the wheels across, well, basically with a line across the center of the wheel, across the M badge. So we'll know when we check in a week's time. Is that a fair time, you think?
I think that's probably enough to get it nice and brake dusty and dirty.
So we'll check in a week's time how it's worked. And we're going to put the product to the right side of the M badge on both wheels.
Yep.
And I'm focusing on that at the moment because it's upside down on the other side. We'll put Armor All on this side.
Armor All on the right hand side of the vehicle,
And Autoglym on the left.
sounds good.
Let's get them masked up.
Let's get taping. Cool. All right, so that is masked up, and that should keep all of this away from the left hand side of the wheel. In terms of putting it on, it's pretty simple. You just got to give it a good shake and make sure it's clean, which we've done. Make sure it's dry as well, because obviously water will affect it from setting on the wheel.
And yeah, it's basically apply liberally, and you do have to wait an hour before you drive the vehicle to make sure it sets properly.
Yeah.
Oh, I just noticed some water drops.
Oh no.
I was hiding under there, but the rest is definitely dry.
Definitely. All right, you ready?
Yep, go for it. It's always tricky with these wheels, getting it inside those double spokes.
There are so many different lines. But I reckon that's probably covered it good enough.
Yeah.
Would you be happy with that?
How much do you reckon is left in that can? Because we've probably done 6 to 8 applications on all 4 wheels with that.
It is getting low, but to be fair, it's lasted much longer than I thought it would have.
Yeah, and you don't need to do this. Well, we don't. If we're going to wash our cars frequently, we won't use it because.
Yeah.
To be fair, if you're on top of maintenance, it's no big deal. But your car's been a week, and they were pretty clean today, so it does help.
That's why we wanted to do this video, because brake dust and clean wheels make such a difference to the look of a car, and you always notice it straight away.
I also reckon it adds a little bit extra gloss to the wheel.
It 100% does. It looks like it's got a fresh coat of clear on it, doesn't it?
I like it.
Yeah, it really does make such a difference, which is why we wanted to do this video, because if you were unaware of these products, it's a big help if you like keeping your car clean.
Well, let's do the other side.
Cool.
So, got the other side masked up, and again, it's to the right-hand side of the M logo.
Cool, and so this is the Autoglym
Wheel Protector.
Very similar to the Armor All, but one thing to note is that it does say it's not suitable for dark coloured wheels, whereas the Armor All is safe to put on anything and everything.
Yeah, I did actually try this on my McGann wheels, and it looked funny. It looked like a milky dried. It went strange. You can't use it on dark wheels.
Are you sure it was this you were putting on?
Yes, it was definitely that.
Right, but for silver wheels, it is fine. So let's go ahead and do that. And yeah, instructions, same directions to apply it basically. So
clean and dry, leave it for an hour.
that's it. Oh, comes out a lot quicker by the feel of it.
I think there might be more in that can, mainly because it doesn't suit Renault Megane wheels.
All right, there's a fair bit on there. So it has added a bit of a gloss to the wheel as well. But I'd say probably not as glossy as the Armor All.
Yeah, I reckon the Armor All. The GoPro is going to be glistening. Actually, you know what, it looks all right. What I will say though, when I did the Megane and it went funny, it did take about 10 minutes for it to fully dry.
Oh, okay, yep.
So what we'll do to close this video off, we'll give it 10 minutes to dry and we'll see what they look like with it dry.
Okay.
So we'll see you guys in a few minutes. So it's been a smidge over 10 minutes and they probably are relatively dry. Do you want to peel the paper off and see if there's a noticeable difference? I really feel like they add a sheen to the wheel, but we'll see in a second.
It's a little bit, there's a little bit of extra gloss.
It looks like this has just been freshly lacquered.
Yeah.
This looks clean. This looks good, but this looks like you've just painted it.
Yeah. So that's cool. I've never noticed that before because you never do half and half.
You just do the whole wheel. Yeah. And even we did the back wheels as well, and they look like new rims. Let's check out the Autoglym side.
And the rear wheels are done the same as the front, so it's Armor All on the right hand side and Autoglym on the left.
I don't think it's as noticeable, the difference.
Yeah, that's interesting.
But keep in mind, I had that bad experience with the Autoglym on my black wheels, so it could just be a placebo messing with me.
Yeah, I mean, it definitely does make a difference. I just don't know if it's as big of a difference as the Armor All.
Anyway, so that is the prep and application of these products. You guys will see us in a week once it's had a chance to get dirty and see if it actually works.
Yeah, we'll go put some brake dust on these things and see how well it's repelled.
See you guys in a bit. So it's been a week. Dave has entered many roadside Grand Prix to try and get his wheels as dirty as possible.
Emergency stops.
Emergency stops.
Yep.
Right after top speed runs.
Yeah, but this car, to be fair, just normal driving conditions. She does pump out a fair bit of brake dust onto these wheels, and they are a pain to clean. So this product could be good.
Well, it is good. Let's look at the results. So this side is the Armor All. It's called Wheel Protectant in Australia. I had a quick look. In the States, they call it Outlast. But yeah, you can see a definitive line across that center line of where the product was. I wasn't really sure if we were going to get that much of a difference. And you can see where somebody had to touch it with their fingers. But yeah, that is a definitive difference. I'll just go around that side of the rim. It's quite funny, when I was following David yesterday, or I don't know, he dropped me off somewhere and I was in front of him and I could see him in the rear view mirror and I could actually see his wheels flashing between the dirty and the clean side.
And that's what they do. It keeps the, in the clean section, it just maintains the gloss. You can see that it's still very silver.
This is the Autoglym side. And I reckon it's pretty similar. The Autoglym did go on thicker, so maybe we could have done a bit thicker coating with the Armor All. But the negative thing about the Autoglym, you can't put it on a dark wheel.
Yeah, I don't know if, to be fair, I think the results are pretty comparable. But regardless of which is better, they both have worked brilliantly. Better than I thought they were going to.
Yeah, they both, you can see, it's like the Autoglym has sort of bled over a little bit as well. But there is a line. So yeah, it works. Well, we knew it worked.
Yeah, but it's to see
I didn't realise it worked that well.
Yeah, that's clear as day, the difference. And another good thing about it is when you do hose the wheels, it's a little bit easier to clean them off. You haven't got to scrub in every little nook and cranny so much.
It does. And I mean, we did get a bit of rain last week, which you can see some runs where I guess water's been in there. Yeah. But that car, I suppose you've got the ceramic topper on there as well, the Maguire stuff, and it stays pretty clean. But the wheels are the worst part, and you find that when you don't have this protectant on, you've got to wash your car multiple times a week just because the wheels look terrible.
Yeah, they look awful, and then the whole car looks awful, looks neglected, whereas this helps avoid that.
So yeah, if you're a bit of a weirdo who likes to keep his wheels super clean, that product for $10 or $15,
it's worth it.
Well worth looking into. Another quick video for you guys. Really appreciate all the comments. If you've got any input on a different product, not the Armor or the Autoglym, that you've been using, that you get better results, let us know in the comments below. I think that'll close off.
Sums up for this one, but that is a good point. If there are any other car cleaning products that we don't know about, because we've only semi-recently found out about these, semi-recently. So yeah, if we're missing out on any other awesome products, let us know.
Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.